Here's fun. That's cool. Everyone got that pretty well? Should you have more than 30 trees? That's okay. There's a lot of trees. You're gonna probably have to cut them down at some point. Oh no. You'll see. It's gonna be fun. You guys, so round 3. We're done with the first 2. We're moving on because all you do is add 3 houses in the last one. Year is 1773. A man named Richard Arkwright invents a new machine that can spin and weave cloth 100 times faster if it can be done by hand. He calls this new machine the water frame because its principal source of power was water. Let's imagine the first water frame was built in your village because of the river. If the water frame was large, a special building was needed, and thus the first factory for producing cotton cloth was built. Add 1 factory, guys, but no smoke. Do not add any smoke to this. Add 1 factory, no smoke because of power. The factory is powered by water. Next to the river. So you guys are going to add a factory next to the river because the water is the source of power. People move to the village to work at the factory. So you guys are going to add 3 more houses. So Jay would point out, we're going to have 11 regular sized houses and the 1 big house that you live in. Good stuff. So you guys do that real quick. Factory next to the river, 3 houses, 3 more houses.
It's a big village.
It's a big village.
We got to add 3 houses.
Add 3 houses. What? You barely got in the room? Yes, houses be separate from each other. Everyone doing pretty good at getting those houses in there?
Yeah.
Right.
Is that like 3 villages or 1?
Guys, it's 1 big village. But I understand what you mean, Max. Your houses might be in separate parts of the village. Is that what you mean when you say 3 separate villages? This is 1 big village. But you might have, I understand, like 3 separate areas.
Can your house be away from the village?
This is like kind of like a zoomed out version of the village. But yes, it could be, your house could be in different parts, different sections of said village. We're moving on, guys. Alright? So we're moving on, guys. Year 1774, more workers are needed to work in this factory. Since many people, mostly women, cannot compete with the production of cloth in the factory, there is a large supply of workers in the village and nearby villages. People move into the village to find work. Add 3 houses for the workers. And 1 factory.
Another